Minglabashin, Dinima diversity reorder question Lego, below Pimle Surago, a tutu Pichaya. Step 1, skim and scan log me. Skim and scan log like a comma, database, diversity, science, comprehensive analysis. So, these are by the diversity or analysis log at down here. Tapi sajangli the asali to papi ma beha topic sentence timale surago shachi jamano. These range from they chare these nesara kit jamulo the hadi topic sentence tinayu these the ashaya the kukugo union chara kit. Now the down they have spent a days or abdu relay the champiu that topic sentence tinayu. In order to establish whether diversity matters in the sea as well as on land, the results we know that the topic sentence analysis bima chalare results so dihalemo buti sajanglemo budalemo so that the topic sentence in order to establish whether diversity matters in the sea as well as on land, 11 marine biologists along with 3 economists have joined forces. So diversity matter forces to cool like that. Marine biologists economists so diversity analysis logo like that. Topic sentence to address these range from current United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization database. That the database a database they have spent the past 3 years crunching all numbers equally. They are hands-on. Okay, they so that 229 the forces marine biologists, the economists, the forces so to do the balo chatale so the only long the kanganan the chajar through yana kanganan economy the chajare 2 year at where resaka 229 resaka now so sa jang 9 so the hadi 229 these range from the current United Nations Food and Agriculture Organizations database to information 100 of years old. Being from kitchen records and archaeology, they are two database they do database they know UN yara database they records they the result of their comprehensive analysis have been published in Science. Through analysis lobima result science the science the result publish hope appeal message okay so the since diversity so reorder question go below phidale soda ko nale me lo myo lin mare along mu jesu tin mare